What I realized about delegation is that nobody ever teaches you how to delegate. Go to school, and the English teacher, no English teacher in the world is going to say, hey, let's write a 10-page paper, and I want you to find somebody else in this class to write your paper for you. I ran track and field in college. I was a D1 athlete. Not once did I show up to practice and the coach say, Nick, we got to run 4 400s today. I want you to find some freshman to do that work for you. I want you to head home. I wish they would have. But we're never taught to delegate, guys. We're never taught to delegate, and delegation is a muscle. You got to practice it. So we get out in this world, we graduate college, we go out in the workforce, and we're basically unemployable because we've been taught a bunch of stuff that's not really that applicable. We don't know how to manage people. And the fact in this world, there's one cold, hard fact in this world, is that if you're really good at your job, you can make great money, but if you can make other people really good at their jobs, you can get rich.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.